Hey everyone! Today we are making the most delicious loaf of banana bread. Moist, fluffy, and super easy to make. I'm Sister Michelle from SisterDIY.com. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup of butter, and 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using coconut oil. Also 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Lastly, of course, you're going to need bananas. I have 4 bananas mashed. You can use 4 to 5 bananas. If your bananas are on the smaller side, go for 5. If they're on the larger side, go for 4. So the first thing that we're going to do is start with our mashed bananas. I'm going to put them in a large bowl. Next, I'm going to add our 1 cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it. So you could also make this in a stand mixer if you like. So next I'm going to add my 2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla. And now I'm going to add my 1/4 cup of butter and oil. Okay, so I'm going to move this over to get my dry ingredients ready. I'm going to start with my 2 cups of flour. Now I have 1 cup white and 1 cup wheat. Sometimes when I'm making this specifically for breakfast, I will use 1 cup of oat flour, maybe 1 cup white, or half cup oat flour, half cup of wheat flour, and then a cup white. So it really just depends. And to my dry ingredients, I'm going to add our salt, cinnamon, baking powder, and baking soda. And mix that up really well. Now I'm going to add all of my dry to my wet. And I'm going to fold it in. Now I'm going to grab my loaf pan that I have oiled really well, and I'm going to pour all the batter in. All right, so I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and now I'm going to bake it for about an hour. All right, our loaf of banana bread is done. A toothpick comes out clean. Now I'm going to let this cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes before I turn it out onto a cooling rack to cool completely before I cut it. And there you have it, the best loaf of banana bread. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.